Hi everyone! Today I'm showing you how to make my gluten-free and refined sugar-free pistachio cookies. They're decadently rich, beautifully fragrant, and really unapologetically comforting. So let's get to it. In my mixing bowl I have 50 grams of maple syrup, and to it I'm adding 40 grams of xylitol, followed by a room temperature egg. Use a soft silicone spatula to mix these ingredients into a glossy liquid. Don't worry if the xylitol doesn't dissolve completely. It will have enough time to do so. Once you have a shiny, glossy mixture, it's time to add 80 grams of pure pistachio paste. As you mix the pistachio paste in, you'll notice that the mixture thickens a little. That's to be expected, it's perfectly okay. And now, add 20 grams of coconut oil. This should be melted but not warm. This ingredient alone is essential for texture and longevity. Here I have 50 grams of pistachio powder, 80 grams of oat flour, 25 grams of almond flour, and a gram of baking soda, with a tiny pinch of salt, of course. Once they're thoroughly mixed, add the dry ingredients in 3 additions to the liquid. This gives the flours enough time to hydrate, and you'll obtain a smooth, lump-free dough. And until I finish doing this, hit that subscribe button. It really helps this channel in more ways than you can imagine, and it means the world to me. Thank you. Once you add the last batch of dry ingredients, you'll notice that the texture changes completely. What used to be a thicker batter now becomes a soft dough. And when you're done folding and mixing and your dough is smooth and homogeneous, add 80 grams of dark chocolate drops. Mine are sugar-free. And once the chocolate is incorporated, we can shape the cookies. I just lined my baking sheet with some parchment paper. To get similarly sized cookies, I prefer to use an ice cream scoop. I level the dough inside the scoop with a spatula, and then I also clean the sides. This gives me evenly sized cookies every time. Depending on the size of your ice cream scoop, you'll obtain anywhere from 6 to 10 delicious, beautiful pistachio cookies. And now the shaped cookies must go to the fridge for an hour and a half. Then, bake them in a preheated oven at 170 Celsius for 12 to 14 minutes. And it's of utmost importance here that you don't use the fan. The browning is a completely natural phenomenon, and it will continue once they're out of the oven. Look how easy it is to remove them from the paper. The edges are barely set, and the center soft and chewy. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see next. See you next time, dessert lovers!